Hey everyone, if you're looking to reset your ChatGPT's settings, account settings, it's actually pretty simple and easy. Here's how you can do it. First, click the two lines at the top left and you get to see your name. Next to it, three dots, click. And once you are in that settings menu, you will see an option to reset or clear your data. Go ahead to the personalized and you're gonna see the memory. You can just turn that off so they don't save your history. And you're gonna see right here, manage memory or manage history. This might include things like conversation history or any saved preferences. Just click on clear memory and confirm your choice. And by clicking clear memory, ChatGPT will forget everything it has remembered from your chat, right? And that's it. Your settings will be reset and you can start fresh. Keep in mind that this will remove your past conversations and any customizations. So make sure you're okay with that before proceeding. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any more questions in the comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Catch you up later.